School management software, or SMS, is a tool designed to streamline various school activities. It handles student enrollment, attendance, grades, and communication among stakeholders. By reducing administrative burdens, SMS allows teachers to focus more on teaching and support student success. The primary users of school management software include administrators, teachers, parents, and students. Administrators benefit from efficient record-keeping. Teachers can manage grades and communicate easily. Parents track their children's progress, and students access course materials and submit assignments. Creating school management software involves identifying core features like student information, attendance tracking, and communication tools. Advanced features may include online admissions, fee tracking, and learning management system integration. These elements ensure the software meets educational needs effectively. Conduct thorough market research by analyzing existing solutions and gathering user feedback. Identify gaps and opportunities to create a unique product. Develop a comprehensive project plan including budgeting to guide the software's development and ensure market success. Choose between in-house development and outsourcing. In-house offers better communication and customization but can be costly. Outsourcing is cost-effective and provides access to expertise but may face communication barriers. Select a tech stack that supports robust and scalable software. Focus on user experience by designing intuitive interfaces for teachers, students, and parents. Consider accessibility features for users with disabilities. Use wireframing and prototyping tools to create user-friendly designs and gather feedback to refine the software. Implement core features using Agile or waterfall methodologies. Agile allows for flexibility and continuous updates, while waterfall is linear and suited for well-defined projects. Employ continuous integration and deployment practices to maintain software quality and deliver timely updates. Plan a successful software launch with pre-launch testing and pilot programs. Provide user onboarding through training sessions and interactive tutorials. Offer ongoing support and regular updates based on user feedback to keep the software relevant and effective. Identify target markets and utilize digital channels like social media and SEO to increase visibility. Build partnerships with educational institutions and network within the EdTech community to enhance awareness and expand the market for your software. The cost varies based on features, customization, technology stack, and development team location. Basic systems may cost $10,000 to $20,000, while advanced solutions can exceed $100,000. Consider ongoing maintenance and compliance requirements in your budget.